Hello, dear students. Welcome to the lecture series of Object Oriented Programming. In this lecture, we are going to see how different manipulators are used to format the output in C++ programming language. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to construct a statement that writes to an output string. You will be able to determine what is printed by a given output statement. You will be able to use C++ manipulators to format the output. To format the programmer's output means to control how it appears visually on your output screen or on a printout. Manipulators are operators that can be used to format the data display. Manipulators are used only in the input and output statements. That means in our C++ program, manipulators can be used only in cin and cout statements. There are different manipulators available in C++ programming language, but we are going to see few of them. We are going to see these 5 manipulators as NL, set width, fix, show point, set precision. If you want to use the first 3 manipulators, that is NL, setW and fix, no need to include the extra header file. These manipulators come with IOStream header file, but if you want to use the next 2 manipulators, that is show point and set precision manipulator, then you need to include IOmanip header file in your program. Let us start with the first manipulator, that is NL. It is used to create the extra blank lines. When it is used in our cout statement, it causes a line feed. It has same effect as your \n character. Now let us see an example. I have two cout statements in my program. The first statement prints hello and the second statement prints welcome to OOP class. Now I want that these two statement prints these two strings hello and welcome to OOP class on two different lines. Then for that I will use endl manipulator in my first cout statement. I will write the endl manipulator before the semicolon statement, and this will give me the output as hello on the first line and welcome to OOP class on the second line. Let us move towards the next manipulator, that is set width manipulator, that is setw manipulator. It allows us to control how many character positions the next data item should occupy when it is output. Typically, these manipulators are used for formatting the numbers and string rather than the character data. A argument has to be passed to setw manipulator. This argument is an integer expression and it is called as field width specification. The group of character positions is called as field. The next data item to be output is printed right justified. That means whatever the blank fields we will get, that will be left justified. Let us see an example. Now in this example I have num1 as 33 and num2 as 7132, whereas I have one more string, that is high. I have three cout statements in this program. In this example, the first cout statement prints num1, the second cout statement prints num2, whereas the third cout statement prints high. Now here num1 consists of two characters, that is 33, but I have specified the field width as 4. Then two left justified, that is two leftist characters will be blank spaces. Then in the second cout statement I have num2 as 4 as of 4 characters, that is 7132, but I have set the field width as 5. Then there will be one blank space. 7132 will be right justified and I will get that blank on the left side. In the third cout statement I have a character high, that is 2 characters in my string, but I have set the width as 4. Then in that case that high will be printed as the right justified statement or character, and the two characters I will get as a blank characters, and these blank characters will be on the left hand side to fill up the field. Now let us check how the output will look like. This is the output. As I told you, I will get the output as 2 blank spaces, 33, then 1 blank space, then 7132, then 2 blank spaces with high. Let us see the second example. The second example demonstrates that setting the field width is one time action. This preference holds only for the very next item to be output. After this, it will reset to 0. Let us see the example 2. In this cout statement, I want to print high, and after high I want to print num1 and num2. Now after high I have set the field specification as 5 for num1, but num1 consists of only 2 characters, that is 33, and I do not set any field specification for num2 as I have num2 as 7132 as we have seen in the previous example. Now I will get the output as high 3 blank spaces, then 33 and 7132, as I do not set any field specification, field width specification after num1 for num2. So let us check the output. See, here we will get the output. As I told you, num1 occupies only 2 spaces, so only 2 characters, so 33 will be printed and remaining left side 3 spaces will be blank. Let us see the third example. Now I have the same example as previous, but here I have set the field width as different. For the num1 I have set the field width as 2, for num2 it is 4, and for cout statement for high string I have 2. Then it will be print the continuous statements like 33, 7132 high without any space, as I have set the field width as it is expected. Now let us see the third form manipulator, that is fixed manipulator. When we are using the floating point values in our program, the large floating point values are printed in the scientific notations. For example, the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.5 may be printed on the systems like 1.23457E plus 08. Then what that fixed manipulator will do? That fixed manipulator forces all the subsequent floating point output to appear in the decimal form rather than the scientific notations. Now if I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.5 on my screen as it is, fix will help me. Let us see the example. Cout fix, and let us have some value 3.8 multiplied by x. Now x may have some value, so this fixed manipulator will help me to print the output with floating point decimal numbers. Let us see the next manipulator, that is show point. If the number is a whole number, C++ does not print a decimal point. For example, if I have a value as 95.0, then only 95 will be displayed on the screen. It will not be displayed as 95.0. But show point will force the decimal points to be displayed in the subsequent floating point outputs. For example, if I have a variable with a constant 95, then what show point will do? If I want to print that show point as 95.0, then it will force the floating point number to be displayed as 95.0. Let us move towards the next manipulator, that is set precision manipulator. It is used to control the number of decimal places, that is digits to the right of the decimal point that are displayed. Now for example, I have a cout statement where I want to print the tax. Now if I have a statement which prints the tax as 17.745637.8, it will be printed as it is on the screen, and if the number is more than that, it may give some scientific notation. But if I use the fixed manipulator, it will print the value as 17.7456378 as it is on my screen. And now I don't want all the numbers, all the decimal places which are after the point. I just want only two decimal places, and I want the output as 17.74. Then in that case I can use the set precision manipulator. Please observe the example number 2. Please observe the cout statement. In the cout statement, I have used two manipulators, fixed and set precision. Fixed manipulator will give me all the floating point numbers, all the decimal numbers which are displayed on the screen, and set precision will set only two decimal places to be displayed on the screen, and I will get the output as 17.74. Please remember that fix is used to display floating point decimal numbers, and set precision is used to display two decimal numbers in our example. I hope you are clear with how the manipulators are used to format the C++ program output. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture.